welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious salmon plate that my daughter made. It came out amazing, and I am sure you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are the ingredients for the salmon: paprika, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, onion powder, and sesame oil. And this is already the salmon cubed in small little pieces. Look at this. You want all the pieces to be almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. This recipe, my daughter made it here at home, and I wanted to share with you. It came out so delicious and amazing, healthy. Let me show you. Let's start by showing you everything she added. She added the smoked paprika. You know that the smoked paprika really gives that smoky flavor. I have here the garlic powder. Remember, in the description box, you're going to have all the ingredients. The salt to taste. We're going to add here the black pepper. And of course, onion powder. We are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. The sesame oil really gives such a delicious flavor and aroma, and it's going to help all the spices stick to the salmon. Let me tell you, if you haven't made this salmon with these ingredients, make them. They came out really delicious. The salmon came out amazing. The flavor with the spices and the sesame oil, just perfection made at home. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Remember, I always share what we make and we cook at home with lots of love. And this salmon bowl came out perfect, healthy, and delicious. After it's already with all the spices and everything, we are going to cover it. We're going to let it sit for about 20 minutes before we start cooking the salmon, getting it nice and golden brown. And of course, we're going to continue by making a delicious and amazing sauce for our salmon bowl. Look at this. Here I have all the ingredients. I'm going to go slowly so you could go and buy them, or you might already have all these ingredients in your pantry, in your refrigerator. Mayonnaise, I'm using 1 cup. I have, to top it off, sesame seeds that have been roasted. Of course, the sesame oil, low sodium, soy sauce, and sriracha. Look at this. This dressing is going to come out amazing and creamy. I'm going to start here with 1 cup of the mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of the chili paste, 1 tablespoon of the sriracha, 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil. And oh my God, once you open the sesame oil, it really invades your kitchen. All that amazing and delicious flavor and aroma. We're adding 1, and we are going to add 1/4 of a cup of low sodium soy sauce. Look at this. And we are going to whisk. We're going to whisk for a couple minutes until everything has been incorporated really nicely. This is going to take a couple minutes. We're going to do elbow grease. So here we're going to mix very well until it's nice and creamy and the color is going to change. This part is very important. making sure that everything incorporates and everything is nice and smooth, and you no longer see the mayonnaise. Look at this. Once it's nice and creamy, I'm going to show you the texture. It's really creamy, really not too runny, nice and thick. And once you let it sit, it's going to get a little thicker. But here I wanted to show you how amazing this sauce is going to be for your salmon bowl. Okay, I am ready and prepared to start cooking the salmon pieces. On the pan, I'm not going to add any oil at all. Remember, we added the sesame oil, and the salmon is going to release its oils. So we don't want to add any oil. We're not going to overcrowd the pan. We want to cook it, making sure there's space so that you could flip every single one. And of course, I made some white rice, easy to make. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and then put it in your rice cooker. And look at this. This is my daughter's plate. She is going to show you how she's going to prepare her plate with really crunchy cucumbers. We're using carrots, sliced onion, and of course the amazing creamy sauce right on the top. Look at this. We're going to top it off with a little bit of sesame seeds. And this is going to be perfect. Look at this. Now I am ready to prepare my plate. And this is how I'm going to enjoy it. She's adding a little bit of soy sauce right on the top. And this looks amazing and delicious. And the cucumber is Persian cucumber. This is my plate. I have carrots, Persian cucumber, tomato slices, onion, and of course, my salmon. Nice and crispy. The aroma, oh my gosh, I wish you guys were here to taste this amazing plate with me. Of course, I'm going to add the dressing right on the top. I'm going to add some sesame seeds right on the top. And I am ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for being part of. If you liked and loved this amazing salmon bowl, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time we make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.